Here are 4 things that can make summer camping much more enjoyable for you. Number 1 is a portable battery operated fan. So this is just a straight off of Amazon, Cool Ice. Has a little clip and a hook to hang it if you're in a tent, or if you just want to hang it up somewhere, clip it on anything. It has a 10,000 milliamp hour battery bank, so you can actually charge your phone off of it if you need to, but it'll run for a long time, and it even has a light and a sleep timer. So if you don't want to run the battery down, or if you only want it running for a certain amount of time, you can set a sleep timer for it. So battery operated fan. And number 2 is bug spray. I really don't like DEET bug spray. I don't like how it feels on my skin. It actually makes me kind of burn, and I'm sure it's probably not the best as far as like cancer and all that kind of stuff. I don't know, I'm not an expert, but I try to stay away, stay for the natural stuff. So I have this Hawk Soap Co. Marsh Romance. This is the cologne, but they also have a mosquito repellent. This works wonders. I was just getting eaten up out here by no-see-ums and mosquitoes. You can see we're right next to water. There are bugs flying everywhere. I sprayed it down. I'm not getting, there are bugs kind of flying around me trying to get after me, but once they get close, they turn the other way. So this is a underrated game changer for me, and it's really affordable compared to a lot of the DEET-free options out there. And number 3 is going to be window reflectics, or window covers for your windows of your vehicle. So even if you're camping out of your vehicle, maybe not necessarily in your vehicle, just keeping it cool in your vehicle is going to be make a big difference in your comfort level. So these were actually made specifically for my truck, for the model. I'm going to leave a link to all of these things in the description, but the link to this one will be to the Chevy Colorado. But if you go in there and search for your make and model of your vehicle and say window covers, I'm sure you'll be able to find one that fits your vehicle. And then last but not least is an air conditioner. This is the Zero Breeze Mark III. I have one of the battery packs, as it'll run for the battery pack will run it for a couple of hours, but obviously I have the solar system and battery auxiliary system in my truck, which is how I run it, the majority of the time. So get Buck over here out of the road. He was dragging the leash down the road like an idiot. What you doing, dog? Air conditioner, especially if you're in a camper, RV, van, truck, that kind of stuff, an air conditioner is absolutely a game changer. Links are in the description. Check them out.